So I did a thing, and Sony ZV-1 digital camera. So let's unbox it and all my accessories that I got to go with it. All right, y'all, I'm excited. Okay. Ow. Okay, what's this? Oh, what's this? The little muffler for the noise. It's cute. We're gonna save the main thing for the end. Then we got a battery pack. It goes in the camera. And the main attraction. Are you ready? I am. Okay. It's so little. I was expecting something bigger, I'm not gonna lie. But the box, this is cute. You can turn the screen. You see me? Oh, this is cute. Okay. We're gonna take this and put this in here. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's on. It says English. Oh, wow. This is the camera. You know, we're gonna go on TikTok and search up some settings and everything else because I don't know what I'm doing, child. But I went on Amazon and I got these packages. I got 1. I need y'all to see my address. 2 and 3. So let's unbox and see what we got. These are the accessories. All right. Yes. Okay, what's in this box? Okay. Tripod. I didn't get the Sony tripod because me personally, cheaper. This camera was already expensive. SD card, because it doesn't come with an SD card, so I got the 256 one. I got what is this? Oh, I got some batteries because everybody says that the camera life on the battery is, so I got 2 extra ones. And that is box number 1. All right, box number 2. Oh, where my tweezers go? That's what we use in open box. All right, box number 2. I got a SD reader, Type-C, to go inside my iPad so I can upload the videos. I got a light because on the camera it doesn't come with the flash, so I got a light. I have, what is this? I have an adapter. And then I bought a wide angle camera lens because everybody says this is a good camera lens and you want wide quality, so this is what I got. That is box number 2. And box number 3, here we go. I got a brown case. It was either brown or blue, because blue is my favorite color, but we went brown this time. And then I bought, what are these? The screen protector for the lens. So that is everything that I bought. Now, let's assemble, because I'm very much excited. Okay, first things first, we're gonna put the case in here. We're gonna put the case on here first. Oh, she's cute already. And then you just swivel it up. Here's the lens. Flip it down. Oh, let's put her back on there though. She is cute already. Okay, where is the SD card? Oh, all right. Child, they got some packaging for this stuff. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm assuming this goes where the battery is. Okay. Okay, it don't go that way. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna turn it back. Did I put this on wrong? No. And we're gonna turn it back on and click English. All right. I gotta set the rest of it up, but in the meantime, we just get the SD card in there. Okay, now this is the tripod that I got. As I said before, I didn't get the Sony one because I just didn't get it. I do have another tripod, which is right here, which is a long version when I do sit-down videos. But is that everything? It is. Who reads instructions? Okay. You just put everything together. That's how it works. I don't need that part.
Did you buy your charms?
No, I did not, Mom.
Why?
I should have put the charms in the cart. I should have. And then here is the small tripod that I got, and it goes. Oh shoot! Where did the little thing at? Oh, I gotta go buy a different one. I got the hole at the bottom right here. Cause this one, you gotta take all the way off in order to put the tripod on. Okay, tripod, camera. Oh, this is cute. What's on the bottom of here? Oh, put that back. She is cute. I'm kind of sad about my case, but it's okay. Okay, guys, I got my mic and my light attached. We are about to put the screen protector on, so that way no scratches or anything get on the camera lens. All right, camera. And then you just place it. And just like that, we now have, all right, now let's turn her back on while I English. Okay, so I got my light and the camera set and the mic set up. Y'all, this light is, so, oh, I should have been filming with this, but I'm on my vanity. And then you could just change the settings. It's one of the ones where you gotta go down like this. Oh, this is T. Okay, let's go down. Oh, this is cute, honey. Y'all, I have now put my whole entire camera set up together. So we have a light, a mic, our brown Sony cover, tripod. I have put the screen protector on and everything. And this is what she looks like. She is T. We're going to turn her back on. And then, so y'all can see the quality yourself. Turn this down some for y'all. Do y'all see her? She is pretty. She is T. Y'all, I really have more accessories to add. Like this wide angle lens, but I don't have the adapter. Because the adapter that they gave me, you want me to stick adhesive to my camera lens to put it on the camera? No. But you just take these two pieces and you put them on here. You just take these two pieces and you put them on here. Like this. And then you take this front part off. And then you just screw it onto the camera, and you'll have wide, you'll have wide angles so you can see like your whole surroundings instead of it just being you. But yes, y'all, this is my Sony ZV-1 unboxing and accessories. I'll be leaving everything down in the link below on the video. And